Today I'm setting up an experiment on how to make $100 fast from YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. It's only going to be a few steps that I'll take, and I'll be walking through each of these steps in such a way that it's easy for you to repeat. I'm guessing the part of this video that you're really interested in is how you can make money with YouTube Shorts. So let's first look at how you're going to make money with affiliate marketing. Now there are a lot of affiliate networks that you could sign up on, like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, but the one that we're going to use in this video is Digistore24. So in case you haven't already signed up for a free account, get started with that and then log in. Once you're logged in, head up to Marketplace and hit all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now here are all of the different categories that you can choose from, but we're going to keep this simple because I wanted to create a process that is easily repeatable. Here already has these results by the top sales rank, but for this particular video, we're not going to look at a health and fitness related niche. So just scroll past all of these top ranking products here on the first page, go over to the second page. This is the one that we're interested in for this video, Crypto Quantum Leap. And what this product is about is basically a video course for beginners who want to learn about cryptocurrency. So let's say you were to promote this and get this 50% commission. That's $422 for you. The reason why this one is a little bit more expensive is because of the promise of the product, that it teaches somebody to get into cryptocurrency and earn a lot more money than they would spend by learning about it in this product. And don't worry, to do this, you don't have to learn about cryptocurrency. You just have to have a high-level idea, because all of the information and resources that you'll need to promote this product, you can easily get for free and almost automatically, which I will show you in a second. But if you were following along, hit promote now and grab your affiliate link right here by just right-clicking and hitting copy. One of the main reasons why I'm looking at a product like this for the video is because this topic, crypto, has been trending for quite some time now. If you take a look here on Google Trends, you can see over the past 90 days, this is a popular topic. Also using the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer tool, by just searching for cryptocurrency, you can see here that it has 19.4 million searches for the month. Next, open up YouTube and run a quick search for crypto #shorts. And be sure to filter for under 4 minutes to make sure that it's only YouTube Shorts show up here. And what you'll see are a lot of recent YouTube Shorts that get a lot of views. It's not only a lot of big channels that get recent views, but there's channels like this one here that posted a video less than a day ago and has 2.3 thousand views. And this one here with only 2,000 subscribers and has almost 2,000 views. And that's less than a half a day ago. And some of these videos can be as simple as just holding your phone on your computer monitor and recording. Or there's stuff like in this video where you can use stock footage with text on the screen. And while this person is talking on the screen, you actually don't need to do any of that with this method. Because I did say I'm trying to create something that is easily repeatable. And that's especially true for a brand new channel. Now what we're actually going to do is pick the easiest format, but at the same time providing the most value. Because the people that will be stumbling upon our videos, our YouTube Shorts, are people that came there for information. And after getting that information, they're going to jump on our affiliate link, where you can then earn a commission. Now this one is somewhat of a good example of what we will be doing, because it's stock footage of voiceover. Nobody's actually showing their face in this one. This one can actually be done really fast. But that's based on if we actually have the information for the YouTube short. Let's look at how you're going to get ideas and the actual content for these YouTube shorts. And that's going to be content that matters to your audience now. Where do you go on the internet when you're trying to find out something? Google, right? So head over to Google and search for crypto. And what you'll find here is the results broken up into several categories. Top stories, that's news. Websites, links, blogs here that are actually ranking in the top 10 results. On each of these websites here, you'll be getting different ideas for YouTube Shorts. There are also videos here linking to YouTube on topics around crypto that is relevant right now. Twitter is also here showing crypto-related tweets that you can check out. But what I find to be really useful here is this section called People Also Ask. And this is going to be easy stuff that you can use to create those YouTube Shorts. Because if you think about it, your audience will be somebody who has some money to invest and probably heard that crypto is something that they should invest in. So questions like, what is crypto? That can be a YouTube short. Is cryptocurrency a good investment? #shorts. Can you make money with crypto? Is crypto safe? Copy this exact question and head over to this tool called Jasper AI, where I have a link in the description below where you can get your first 10,000 words for free to try this particular method. Once you sign up with that link, hit login, and this is what your dashboard will look like. Head straight over to templates. There's a whole lot of different templates to choose from, but you can take your time and go through that at a later time. I want you to go to New and then go down to Quora Answers. And no, you're not going to be responding to any Quora answers here, but we are going to use this tool to get the video script. So in this section here for the question, paste the question that we just grabbed from Google. What is crypto? And then come down to Generate AI Content. And now check this out. What you have here now are 3 different options to choose from. Let's say you didn't like any of them. You can just come back and hit Generate AI Content again. And you got 3 more options. But for the sake of this video, let's say you were good with this information provided in this answer. Hit Copy. And believe it or not, just like that, you created your video script for the YouTube short. So now what we're going to do is create the video automatically. And the quickest way to do that while still maintaining a high standard is using invideo.io. You can try it for free as long as you like. There are many different templates that you can choose from, as well as a lot of stock footage. And you'll also find a link to that in the description below. And once you log in, this is what it looks like. Again, you can take the time to go through all of the templates that you like. But what I want you to do right now is go straight up to vertical. Choose text to video. Just simply pick any template here, because it's the content is what matters here. That's why people are coming onto the YouTube short. So choose this one and then hit use this template. Add a headline, what is crypto? Remember that was the question that we just asked Jasper AI. And this was the answer that we're going to paste now into the script. So right click and paste it right here. Now be sure to separate each sentence onto a different line. And the reason for that is because this program in video is going to create a different scene for each of these lines with different stock footage. So this will pretty much just help speed the process along. You can also quickly just split long sentences. This will make the process a little bit easier. Now, when you're finished with that, make sure and check this box to auto-suggest images and videos, because that's the whole point why we're here. Hit next, and in just a few seconds, this video will be ready for you to finalize and download. These are the different scenes over here, those sentences that you were separating. You're going to see now how that really helped. Check this out. This is the first scene. What is crypto? Have a look at this. All of the graphics on the screen, the transitions, the text came on automatically, as well as the background with the Bitcoin already set. And there are 2 ways that you could go about this now. What you're going to do here now is go through all of the different scenes to make sure that the stock footage and the text and everything is suitable for each of the scenes. And I think most of it looks good so far. But let's say you didn't like this one. All you had to do here now is come over to video or images. Let's choose images. And if you notice, there's this iStock results. With the premium plan that you would get a discount with my link, you'd get access to more stock footage. However, you don't need it to get started. So you can just uncheck that one for now. Search for crypto. And you have access now to drag and drop all of these for free. Let's just go with this one by dragging and dropping right here. And that's all there is to that. And for some scenes, the text may be too long, and InVideo tells us that. And based on the instructions, you just need to place the cursor where you want to split. Let's say we wanted to split it here. Click there and then click this button. And now this new scene was just created. And you can drag and drop any one of these stock results onto here to create the visuals for this scene. But there's one more thing that we need to do for this video. Remember, the purpose of this is to make money with the affiliate product. This product here where we can earn 50% commissions. So we want to make sure that after somebody looks at that crypto-related YouTube short, they will then click this link and then buy, so that you could make this amount of money. And in order to improve the chances of that, we want to make it really clear, even in the video. So at the end of the scene, the last scene here, hit add a scene. And you want to say something in here like, if you're looking for some guidance on how to get started in crypto investing, visit the link in the description. And pick something here that has crypto and money in it, like this one. Drag and drop that there. Once you're finished with that, come up to the top here and hit download. Make sure you're exporting in 1080p. Head over to your YouTube channel on the top right hand side, hit create, hit upload video. Upload the video that you just downloaded. For simplicity, you can just call it "What is crypto?" Make sure and type hashtag shorts at the ending. That is so that it can be categorized as a YouTube short. Now, this is the really important part because this is where you make the money. Be sure to include this step where you head back over on Digistore 24 and grab your affiliate link if you didn't copy it already. Because in the YouTube description is where you'll have to paste that. You can put something in front like "Learn crypto investing from an expert." And that is pretty much it. What I would suggest to speed up the process on making that first sale is to simply repeat this every day until you do. Heading over to Google, searching for crypto, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, something crypto related in the search bar. Getting all of your ideas from right here, the first page, and make a YouTube short from each of these. You even get more suggestions when you click one and then click it back up. Other questions will pop up here, like "Is crypto safe?" just popped up, or one of these others just did. Copy this question and paste it into the Quora Answers tool in Jasper AI. Don't forget the link is in the description below for your free 10,000 words. Copy any one of the answers over here, and then finally use InVideo.io to create these YouTube shorts automatically by choosing the text to video option. Now that is going to be the fastest, simplest, most effective method to try making that $100 fast using YouTube shorts and affiliate marketing. But if you use that along with this other method that kept track of everybody who saw those YouTube shorts and allowed you to create these landing pages as well as send emails automatically and free, then check this video out next where I go through exactly how you can do that, how to set it up for free. But make sure and try the method that we spoke about in this video first. So I'll see you over there.